How to make a quiz in Google Forms. So here is a full step-by-step guide to create a quiz in Google Form, perfect for school, training, or fun. First of all, open your Google web browser. Then all you have to do is type down in the search address bar for the Google form and search for it. Once you search for it, make sure you navigate to the Google Forms official website. Once in there, make sure you sign in using your Google account. And now, once you are signed in and you are inside the Google form, then you'll get to see various options available there. Simply click on the plus blank form or use a quiz template from the template gallery in order to create a quiz Google form. So here you can see there are various template gallery option available as well. You can choose one from this, but let me just tap on the blank option available there. Now once I tap on the blank, let's simply begin with making the question. Now all you have to do is type down the question for the quiz. Choose a question type also. Make sure it is in multiple choice, check boxes or drop down according to your preferences. So here I have just assigned a question. Now all you have to do is type your question and answer choices. Then once you type down one question or your one of the question is ready, then in order to create a new question for the quiz, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available at the right hand side of your screen. So now as you can see, I have completed my question in quiz box. Now tap on the plus icon to create a new question and continue doing this unless you are satisfied with your quiz form available here. Now once here is done, so let me just add us two questions only. So as you can see, my questions are all ready to be published. Now let's tap on the publish button available at the top right and publish this quiz form. Now you can simply tap on the copy link option available there and copy this quiz form link once published. Then once you copy this link, open the new tab and check your quiz form. And if you're okay and satisfied with your quiz form, then you can simply paste this link to other people as well. But if you do not like it, then you can make some changes or edit in the previous one. So here, let me just answer the questions and it will show submitted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.